And while we're having our photo op, let me just take this opportunity to thank all the members and the people who have joined us. Okay, lahat po ng guests na nasa likod, join na rin po tayo dito for a group photo. Our friends and family from Taguig City University. And while we're doing the arrangement, again, thank you very much to the United Nations Association of the Philippines, led by the immediate past president of Pateros Technological College and the Municipal Government.